here in Santiago City. Batiin mo naman sila.
Yes, ayan. Pinabati ko lahat ang nandito. Bumati rin kayo.
Ayan. Say hello, everybody.
Yes. First of all, I would like to say my answer to this question is self-service. Because my English is separated and assorted. You will adjust my answer, okay?
Kayo na ang mag-adjust, di ba?
Yes.
Okay.
Kung hindi kayo makapag-adjust, get well soon sa inyong lahat.
Well, but if you're not that fluent in English, you can answer in Filipino.
Pardon, wow.
Pardon. Pardon. Pardon.
Okay na tayo. Okay. Ayan, total ready na siya
Okay,
sa
are you ready for your hashtag?
Yes, I'm ready my hashtag, but my answer is not ready. Okay.
Ang importante dyan ay nandito ka ngayon at talagang napapasaya mo ang mga
Yes! Masaya ba kayo? Pumatos kayo mamaya.
Let's look at your hashtag spinning roulette. Ayan.
One hashtag left.
5.
And that's number 5. And hashtag number 5 is hashtag acceptance. Hashtag acceptance. Miss Caitlin, you have 60
everyone,
seconds.
before I answer the question, please shut down your mouth. Yes, my question is acceptance. You know what? Acceptance is very important to many people, internal and other citizen. Yes, just like me. My mother is accept me being a lady dog, a part of LGBTQIA. Yes. And I am proud and I am accept myself being a construction worker almost 10 years. That's why I will accept myself. Because being a board member, being a board member of my family, I need to provide food and dog food to my family.
Wow.
Yes. So because my family is kumpleto pa, wala pang nagbo-voluntary exit. So that's why I work hard being a board member. Charot.